Hello, my name's John, and first and foremost, I just want to say a massive thank you for booking this call with me. This could be the start of your journey with myself and Next Level Online Coaching, and I couldn't be more excited to help you on your way from getting you where you are now to where you want to be. So what I need you to do over the next 5 or 10 minutes is get to grips with this page in its entirety. There are going to be some things for you to read. There's also going to be some extra videos for you to watch. And there's also going to be a list of frequently asked questions that are going to put your mind at ease before we jump on our discovery call. But before you skip ahead, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the online coaching works when you join us here at Next Level Online Coaching. Everything that we do is built from the ground up. It is all specifically tailored for you as an individual to not only be built around things that you actually like and enjoy, but also to be as efficient as possible and to fit in with your lifestyle. There are a lot of things that we're going to build specifically for you within the program, but there are certain things that we do across the board with every single client purely to help you get the best possible results. These include your nutrition, so we focus on that in great detail. We also look at your training program, whether you're going to be doing that from the gym or at home, and we build you the most efficient program based around your capabilities, but also your lifestyle and how busy you might be. And one of the big things that we really focus on here at Next Level Online Coaching is mentality, mindset, and habit building. We know that once you build really, really solid habits and you feel a lot more confident within yourself, the chances of results go through the roof. And we're going to make sure that every single day we're working on building your mentality, creating great habits, and also making sure that you become a lot more resilient when anything comes up. That way, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to bounce back a lot quicker. You're not going to give up on yourself, and the results that you've been working towards for such a long time are really going to start coming. But the main benefit that you're going to receive when you join the coaching is you're going to receive tons of support and tons of accountability, which is, as we know, where most people fall down. I'm going to be in touch with you every single day to make sure things are going the way that they should go. You get direct one-to-one access to me at any time if you need to send me a message, if you've got questions that need to be answered. I will be there personally to come back to you and give you the answers that you're looking for. And with the accountability section, we're also going to be doing weekly check-ins where we assess your week, we look at the areas that you've done really well in, and we double down on those areas. But then we also address the areas that you feel that you're falling down in, and we put you a solid game plan or action plan in place to help you improve in those areas. So each week is like a moment of self-discovery where we find out these areas that we need to improve upon, and we put a plan in place to help you do that. Now, let me get on to how we're going to deliver your training program. I use a state-of-the-art software called TrueCoach, where I go away and design and develop the perfect program based around you. If you're a bit of a beginner to exercise and training, please do not panic, because every single exercise and workout that I provide you is going to come with video instructions and written instructions, also including how many reps, how many sets, how much rest you need to have between every single exercise. Once we've got you into a really good position with your exercise and your training, we're also going to implement a lot of extra things to help you improve across the board. This is going to come in the form of different resources that we're going to utilize and daily habits that we're going to track to make sure that you're being as efficient as possible. But we're also boosting your health, your fitness, and maximizing your results. Okay, let's talk to you a little bit about your nutrition aspect of the program. This is a big one. As we all know, when it comes to weight loss, getting the food right, getting your calories right is paramount to fantastic results. But if a diet plan, which I'm sure you've all been on in the past at some point in your lives, isn't something that's easy to adhere to and is boring, the chances of you sticking to it pretty much go out the window, right? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take two different approaches to your nutrition. We're going to set you a diet plan in place, but it is going to be based around food that you actually enjoy. You're not going to be massively restricted, but we're going to be tracking your calories and your macros each day to make sure that you're getting the best results in the easiest way possible. This means that over the course of time, you're going to feel so much more confident with your food and your diet that you're not going to go backwards. We also look at implementing resources for you so that you can go on social events, that you don't worry when you go out, and that even if you do go out, you're not going to set yourself massively backwards. A lot of this comes within the habit forming part of the course as well, but that's something that I'm going to talk to you a little bit more in the next couple of minutes. Okay, building really, really good habits and staying adherent to the program and beyond the program. Again, another area where a lot of people really struggle is when they leave a program like this and then they try to go it alone. We've seen it over and over again where people leave the program and then all of a sudden the weight starts going back on because they haven't built really sustainable and long-lasting habits. Now, during the course of the program, we're going to be educating you a lot in these areas, making sure that the habits that you have built are absolutely rock solid, they're right for you, and then later on down the line, you can always refer back to these things to make sure that you don't find yourself going backwards. And if you do, you know how to rectify it and bounce back very, very quickly. No matter what it is that we feel you need on the program, I will go away and make it happen for you. It's all about you. It's all about putting the right thing in front of you to help you get the results that you've always wanted. Whatever you feel like you've been missing in the past is what we're going to put in front of you. And it's my job and your job to work together as a team, as a unit, to make sure that we nail these things down as quickly as possible and make sure that the results that you get are absolutely amazing. And at the same time, you know how to maintain them. And just to round things up a little bit, there is quite a lot more to the program, smaller parts that I haven't mentioned so far, but we can get into those on the call. But what I've given you there are the main pillars of the program and what's going to take you from A to B really quickly and make sure that you get great results. And that's essentially what you're here for, right? All I need you to do now is pop yourself below. I want you to read the text. I want you to watch the videos and read the frequently asked questions. Get yourself prepared for the call. You can then come to me with any questions you've got. But hopefully these will answer everything in great detail for you so that when we do jump on the call, you're pretty much ready to get going.